subject pharmacy 2. Then chapter number 1 is prescription, and the subtopic is handling of prescription. Okay. Then we have to see the subtopic is what is handling of prescription. Then the following procedure should be adopted while handling the prescription. The step 1 is, for example, receiving. The step 2 is reading and checking. Then step 3 is collecting and weighing of materials. Then step 4 is compounding, and step 5 is labeling and packaging. This is the step by adopting in the handling of prescription. We have to take the step one by one. The first step, we have to take first step. The first step is receiving. Receiving means receiving of the prescription. Always receive the prescription by the patient to the pharmacist himself. Okay, first, while receiving the prescription by the patient and which is directly given to the pharmacist himself. Then second, the pharmacist do not change his facial expression while receiving the prescription from the patient, because it gives impression to the patient. The pharmacist is surprised or confused. Means the pharmacist do not change its facial expression while receiving the prescription by the patient, because it gives the bad impression to the patient if the pharmacist is surprised or confused. The simply in receiving, the first point is receiving the prescription by the patient directly to the pharmacist himself. And second, while receiving the prescription, the pharmacist do not change his facial expression because it gives impression to the patient. The pharmacist will surprise or confused while seeing the or receiving the prescription. So this is step 1. Then step 2. Step 2 is reading and checking the prescription. After receiving, the pharmacist should always read and check the entire complete prescription. In first, the pharmacist will check the prescription whether it is written on proper format, that is the doctor's pad or OPD slip of hospital and nursing home. The step 1 is pharmacist to check the prescription which is in written format, written on proper format of doctors, that is doctor's pad or OPD slip of hospital or nursing home. Then next, the pharmacist to check the sign of prescriber in the prescription, and next is it check the date in the prescription, it is proper or not. First is written format, check the time, second sign of the prescriber, and third is the date. Then when reading and checking of the prescription, the pharmacist should read or check the prescription or screen behind the counter. Then means the pharmacist always read and check the prescription, always screen behind the counter. If any difficulty in reading or doubt about direction arises regarding the ingredients, the pharmacist should consult the other pharmacist which is present in pharmacy or directly consult to the prescriber. Then what is done after screening? If any difficulty in reading or any doubt about the direction of or ingredients arises, the pharmacist should directly consult the other pharmacist or directly consult the prescriber. But in this condition, the pharmacist never guess the illegal or confused word. Pharmacist has not guessed the illegal or confused word because it leads to the serious consequence to the patient. अगर फार्मासिस्ट ने इलीगल वर्ड्स और कंफ्यूज वर्ड मिस किए और इनको नहीं समझाए तो इट डायरेक्टली लीड्स टू द सीरियस कॉन्सेप्ट टू द पेशेंट, इट हार्मफुल फॉर द पेशेंट. Then the next point is when the prescription is received by the telephone by the pharmacist. Then what is the procedure? The first taking down the prescription means taking down means note the prescription in the noting pad. Then second verify by repeating it on the phone to the prescriber. Then second step क्या करना है लिखने के बाद में उसको वेरीफाई करना है बाय रिपीटिंग इट ऑन द फोन एंड कंसल्ट टू द प्रिस्क्राइबर. मींस उसको वेरीफाई करना है रिपीट करके फोन पे जो नोट डाउन किया है उसको, और उसको प्रॉपर क्या करना है वेरीफाई चेक करना है. दिस इज द कंडीशन व्हेन प्रिस्क्रिप्शन इशूड बाय द टेलीफोन. देन नेक्स्ट बिकॉज ये सब क्यों करना है, वी टेक फॉर एग्जांपल बिकॉज नाउअडेज द नंबर्स ऑफ ड्रग्स आर अवेलेबल in the market with the same pronunciation and spelling, with the same pronunciation and spelling. The number of drugs are available in the market. We take the examples. For example, acidin, apidin. There is the pronunciation is quite same and changed with the single alphabet. That is ACIDIN and APIDIN. Means in the change C and this is the change P. Means their pronunciation and spellings are quite same. Then second example, prednisone, prednisolone, prednisone, prednisolone. Then the next example is digoxin, digitoxin, digoxin, digitoxin. Means these are the examples with the same pronunciation and near about the same spelling which is available in the market. Therefore, the pharmacist repeat the prescription and if any doubt arises consult to the physician directly. The last condition is if any omission in the prescription regarding or about the dose of the drug, the pharmacist directly consult to the prescriber only in case. Then the third step is collecting and weighing of material. After reading and checking, the pharmacist collect all materials which are required for the preparation and it is weighed properly according to the prescription direction. This step is before compounding, यानी preparation करने के पहले क्या करना है आपको, all the materials required for the collected on all the material which is required for compounding which is collected on left hand side of the balance. क्या करना है, जो भी मटेरियल आपको लग रहा है उसको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे रखना है बैलेंस में. देन आफ्टर weighing ऑल द मटेरियल्स आर शिफ्टेड टू राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ द बैलेंस. ठीक है, सबसे पहले क्या करना है, जो मटेरियल रिक्वायर्ड है उसको कलेक्ट करना है राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ द बैलेंस और वेइंग करने के बाद में क्या करना है उसको राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ बैलेंस में शिफ्ट करना है. ऐसा क्यों करना है, बिकॉज इट चेक द इंग्रेडिएंट्स. ये वेरीफाई करता है कि आपके ऑल इंग्रेडिएंट्स प्रॉपर्ली वेइंग किए आपने. Then next is before compounding the label of every stock should be read at least for 3 times to avoid error. आपको क्या करना है, जो भी आप ingredients ले रहे हैं उसको 3 times चेक करना है to avoid the error. आपको चेक करना है, one by one देखते हैं. The first is when it is taken from shelf or drawer. जब आप shelf से उसको निकाल रहे हैं और वहाँ पे कहाँ पे रख रहे हैं उसको, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ द बैलेंस. आपको तो एक बार चेक करना है फर्स्ट टाइम. देन सेकंड व्हेन द कंटेंट्स रिमूव फ्रॉम द वेइंग एंड मेजरिंग. सेकंड को चेक करना है जब आप कंटेंट वेइंग के लिए उसमें से निकाल रहे हैं, रिमूव कर रहे हैं. वेइंग फॉर द सॉलिड थिंग्स एंड मेजरिंग फ्रॉम द लिक्विड थिंग्स. तो सेकंड आप तब चेक करेंगे. एंड थर्ड व्हेन द कंटेनर इज रिटर्न बैक टू इट्स प्रॉपर प्लेस. और जब वेइंग करने के बाद में जब कंटेनर आप वापस शेल्फ पे रख रहे हैं मींस 3 टाइम्स. फर्स्ट इज when taken from the shelf or drawer. Then second, when the content removed for weighing and measuring. And the third is the container returned back to its proper place. तो 3 बार आपको क्या करना है, every stock read at least for the 3 times to avoid the error. The next step is compounding of the preparation means compounding. The next procedure is after collecting and weighing is compound. Why compounding? The compounding should be carried out in the neat place. Always carried out at the neat place. Then next is all the equipments which are required for compounding or the preparation is thoroughly clean and dry. The second step is all the equipments which are required for compounding should be thoroughly clean and dry. The next is the only one prescription compounded at one time only. Means if the prescription the dosages or the dosage form is more than one, then only one prescription should be compounded at one time only. Then one is completed, then we have to start to prepare the second. Then next, the compounding of the preparation should be according to the prescriber directions, which is written in the prescription, and it's according to the pharmaceutical art. The next condition is the compounding of preparation is according to the prescriber direction, which is written in the prescription, and according to pharmaceutical art. Pharmaceutical art means if the doctor write you have to prepare the tablet, or you have to prepare the syrup, or you have to prepare the liquid or semi-solid dosage form, according to the dosage form can be prepared while according to the method of preparation of the proper dosage form means pharmaceutical art. And next, after compounded, the preparation should be filled in a suitable container according to its direction and according to its use. For example, according to today's dosage form means direction is given by the prescriber and according to the use. If semi-solid dosage form, the use of preparation is semi-solid dosage form, then this type of preparation is filled in the container of wide mouth containers according to its directions and according to its use. And the last procedure is labeling and packaging. After compounding, the preparation should be filled in the suitable container according to its direction and according to its use. Then for labeling, we have to take the good quality of white paper, which is used for labeling. Then this size of white paper is for labeling is proportional to the size of the container. ठीक है, जैसे कंटेनर का साइज है वैसे आपका प्रोपोर्शनल साइज होना चाहिए व्हाइट पेपर का फॉर लेबलिंग. देन द लेबल शुड बी ऑलवेज either written or either typed. Either written or either typed. Then next, in the label, it is giving the all desired information which are required for the labeling. आपको क्या करना है? All desired information वहाँ पे either you have to write or either you have to type. Then this label is fixed with the good quality of adhesive to the container. लेबल को अच्छे एडिसिव से क्या करना है, उसको फिक्स करना है, गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ एडिसिव. देन नेक्स्ट इज इट इज फिक्स्ड ऑलमोस्ट सेंटर लीविंग इक्वल स्पेस फ्रॉम टॉप एंड बॉटम ऑफ द कंटेनर. उसको क्या करना है, प्रॉपर्ली सिलेक्ट करना है स्पेस, लीविंग इक्वल स्पेस एंड सेंटर में उसको फिक्स करना है, बॉटम और टॉप में इतनी स्पेस छोड़ना है उसको प्रॉपर्ली. तो ऐसे क्या करेंगे, उसको फिक्स करेंगे लेबल को विद द प्रॉपर कंटेनर. Then next, after fixation, then the container should be polished so as to remove the fingerprints. उसको properly polish करना है to remove the fingerprints from the label or container. Then the last is while delivering the final prescription to the patient, the pharmacist should explain. Then last step is the preparation is complete and the label is attached to it and is packaged properly. Then the pharmacist should deliver this preparation to the patient and should explain about the, for example, mode of administration, then direction for use, how to use the proper preparation, and last is how to store it properly. Means the first is mode of administration, second is direction for use, and third is storage. Then this is all about the handling of prescription. You have to see the handling of prescription, the procedure. What is the procedure? The first is receiving, then second is reading and checking, third is collecting and weighing of materials, then fourth is compounding, and fifth is labeling and packaging. This is the all step-by-step procedure while handling the prescription by the pharmacist.